Good morning, friends. We are live again. It is 5:30 p.m. Day 6 of 100 Days Yoga Challenge. So, today we are going to do some yoga sessions. I'm inviting Saurav, and once he joins, then we will discuss the further course of action. So, it has become very easy for me to wake up right now. In the night, generally, I am waking up till 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 2 a.m. for playing Fortnite because recently I started playing Fortnite and it is a very nice experience. If you don't know, then I want to inform that you can play Fortnite on Android phones also. It is not available on the Play Store, but you can install it from Epic Games website. So it is just like PUBG. So if you are a PUBG lover and wants a similar game or a better game, then you can install Fortnite from the Epic Games Studio. I don't know if Saurav is able to join this or not. I will invite him once again. Calling. So guys, Facebook is. I was not using Facebook for a very long time, but Facebook is giving very good features to join with in a meeting with friends. So again, it has become one of the good options, even though there are concerns about the privacy policies of Facebook. But yeah,
Okay,
okay.
very good morning all of you. तो what was the situation? क्या हो रहा था? Connect नहीं होने जा रहा.
I don't know. There might be some technical issue with this Facebook
Okay, let's
software.
begin. This is the sixth day and we'll do light exercise today. So get up and let's shake body now. First, let's shake our hands. We'll do Sukshma Yoga first. Sukshma Yoga. And then we'll do very light yoga. Shake your hands. Shake your hands and raise your hand above your head. सर के ऊपर. फिर सांस छोड़ते हुए नीचे, सांस छोड़ते लेते हुए ऊपर, and release your breath and down. साइड से ऊपर इस तरीके से जाए. Hands के साथ shake your legs. Along with hands, shake your legs. Shake your legs and start shaking your head as well. सर को भी shake करें. पूरा body shake हो जाएगा. Okay, relax. Relax. Now we'll start massaging your head. Massage your head. चारों तरफ से अच्छे से. Massage your head. Massage your forehead. Move your fingers on your forehead. Relax. Eyebrows को stretch करें. Stretch your eyebrows. Keep eyebrows in between your two fingers and massage it and stretch it. भौहों को stretch करें. भौहों को. Okay, now आंखों के नीचे. With your two fingers, just massage below your eyes. और गाल में एक हड्डी मिलेगी. उस हड्डी के नीचे में गड्ढा होगा. There is a pit in your cheeks. Put your finger in that pit and press. Press slowly. Okay. Now हल्का सा मुंह खोल के Massage your cheek. And relax, relax. Now pull your ears. Pull your ears. कानों को pull करें. Pull your earlobes. Side से. Pull ear from sidewise. And start doing cycling. Do cycling. Opposite direction में. Okay. Relax. Now we'll fill air in our mouth, and stretch your cheeks. Relax. Now मसूड़ों का मसाज करेंगे with our tongue. Relax. थोड़े का exercise. Stretch your jaw. Relax. इस तरह से आवाज निकालेंगे. Relax. Now we'll squeeze our face. आँख को बंद करते पूरे face को squeeze करेंगे. Squeeze your face and stretch. Squeeze and stretch. Squeeze and stretch. Blinking करेंगे थोड़ी देर. Fast blinking. Fast blinking. Fast blinking. आंखों को जोर से बंद करें. Hold. Close your eyes tightly and hold. And open. Again start blinking. Relax. बाएं देखें. Look right side. दाएं देखें. बाएं, दाएं, ऊपर, नीचे, ऊपर, नीचे. Now we'll rotate anti-clockwise. ऊपर देखें, बाएं देखें, नीचे, दाएं, ऊपर, बाएं, नीचे, दाएं, ऊपर, बाएं, नीचे, दाएं. Change direction. अब दाएं देखें, ऊपर, बाएं, नीचे, दाएं, ऊपर, बाएं, नीचे. Rotate our eyes. Okay, fine. ये हो गया हेड की तरफ का. अब थोड़ा सा हम लोग कंधों करते हैं. टेक डीप ब्रेथ इन एंड राइज योर शोल्डर एंड लेट इट गो. रिलैक्स विद ब्रेथ एंड रिलैक्स. नाउ व्हाट विल डू, विल होल्ड द ब्रेथ. सांस, गहरी सांस लेंगे और ब्रेथ रोक लेंगे एंड विल मूव आवर शोल्डर फास्टली. Keep your hand loose and relax. Again, take deep breath in. Hold the breath. And relax. Now, keep your both the hand on your shoulder. Touch your elbow. Stretch your elbow. Feel the stretch. Touch your elbow. Feel the stretch. Now from below we'll go to up with breathing in and down with breathing out. Once more. आप पीछे से ऊपर जाएंगे, पीछे से ऊपर जाएंगे, आगे से नीचे. कान के पीछे तक ले जाना है एल्बो को. And relax. Okay. Both hands in front. Loosen your hands. तबला बजाएं. साइड से ढोलक. उल्टा तबला. अंदर से ढोलक. And let's stretch our hands. Stretch. Stretch fingers. ना stretch कर सकते हैं. Stretch. 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 मुट्ठी बंद. Stretch. बंद. Stretch. बंद. Rotate your fist. opposite direction, and relax. Okay. Now we'll do waist rotation. पैरों को कंधों के बराबर फैला लें. Hold your hand on your waist. हल्का सा आगे झुकते हुए बड़ा सा शून्य बनाएंगे. We'll make big zero with our waist. Change the direction. Okay. And relax. Now घुटना. दोनों पैरों को पास पास जोड़ लें. Bend, straight, bend, straight. Bend करें, सीधा करें. आप rotate करें ऐसे. Rotate. Change direction. Okay, nice. Yeah. Now we'll do ankle rotation. Ankle rotation. Rotate your ankle. Opposite direction. Fingers. पैरों के उंगलियों को. अब इस पैर को दूसरे पैर की जंघों में लगाते हुए we'll do Vrikshasana. Join both the hand above your head and stretch yourself. With every breath, stretch yourself and relax. We'll repeat with same with left leg. Ankle rotation. Ankle को rotate करेंगे. उंगलियों को बेंड करेंगे, सीधा बेंड. और इस पैर को दूसरे पैर की जंघों में लगाते हुए stretch ourselves. Vrikshasana. And relax. This was Sukshma Yoga. Now we'll sit and we'll start with some pranayam. Okay. हम लोग प्राणायाम करेंगे. प्राणायाम करने के लिए स्टार्टिंग करते हैं हम लोग उससे भस्त्रिका से. ठीक है. भस्त्रिका के लिए we have to get into वज्रासन. वज्रासन में अगर बैठ सकते तो वज्रासन में बैठ जाएं. वज्रासन में बैठने का कारण ये है कि आपका पेट नहीं दबता है. इसमें पेट के पास पूरा एक्सपेंड करने का ऑप्शन होता है. ठीक है. अब हमको करना ये है, हल्की मुट्ठी कंधों के पास रखना है. इस तरीके से बंद करना है. हल्की मुट्ठी लूज होना चाहिए, कंधा लूज. और मैं बोलूंगा ब्रेथ इन, हाथों को ऊपर जाएगा, ऊपर हाथ खुल जाएंगे. बोथ द हैंड्स विल बी ओपन अबव योर हेड लाइक दिस. एंड यू हैव टू टेक ब्रेथ इन, full breath. You have to fill your lungs like this. When you go up, you have to open your palm like this. I'll say 1, 2. I'll say like this. Okay. Let's get ready. And we'll do 20 rounds और 2 बार करेंगे, 2 राउंड करेंगे. ठीक है. It will give lots of oxygen to us. Okay. Let's get ready. हाथ लूज रहे. Let's start with take a normal breath in. आराम से सांस लें और खाली कर दें. With full force, breath in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and relax. Now observe your breath. Observe the energy in your body. After this exercise, you will feel certain vibration in the body. Let's do now second round. Second round करते हैं. दोनों हथेलियां कंधों के बगल में. इस बार आंखें बंद करके करेंगे. ठीक है. नॉर्मल ब्रीथ इन एंड ब्रीथ आउट. भस्त्रिका करेंगे पूरे जोश के साथ. ब्रेथ इन. 1, in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and relax. Now you can sit easily in a relaxed position. आराम से पालती मार के बैठ जाएं. And close your eyes for a few seconds and observe the energy in your body, flow of energy in your body. Take a deep breath in and relax. Slowly you may open our eyes. Now we'll do Kapalbhati. Do you know Kapalbhati?
Before starting pranayam, I would like to do 2-3 more yoga poses.
Okay.
Because after that we will start relaxing with the meditation and the pranayams.
Yes. Okay.
So we will do 4 yoga poses.
Okay.
One will be, first will be our devil and angel. Second will be a version of bridge. Third will be our yesterday I was saying frog stand, and fourth will be Sirsasana. So we will start with 20 reps of devil and angel.
Okay.
I'm going to start moving around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Relax. Put down on your butt. Now we will do a variation of bridge. In bridge we do like this, but in this variation we will try to touch from our right hand. We will go towards the left shoulder from back, and from the left hand we will go towards the right shoulder and touch the ground. So 10 reps on each side. Okay. Let's start. 1. Hold for a second. Hold for a second when you touching the ground. Okay. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. This is the modified bridge. Both are for our back only. One is for the lower back and other is for the upper back. Next we will try to hold frog stand for, it is called the crane pose. People also call it frog stand. So we will try to hold frog stand for 5 seconds.
Okay.
3, 4, 5. Okay. So gradually we will increase the time on frog stand, and once we are able to hold for 30 seconds, and we have enough strength in our fingers, then we will try to free one leg from the frog stand. And in future, we will try to free both legs from the frog stand, and then we will lift our hips up. That will become the handstand.
Yes.
Now we will attempt the two circles, and then we will move to pranayama and meditation.
Okay. Okay.
Wow.
Okay.
Better than yesterday.
Okay.
Let's start pranayams.
Now we'll do Kapalbhati Pranayam. Okay. We will Kapalbhati Pranayam. You know it? Do you know it? You will just release your breath from nose forcefully, like this. And while doing that, your stomach will go in automatically, like this. Okay. And we will do 100 rounds, right? In one go, we'll do 100 times. Each round in 1 second. That gap means 100 second we'll do and take rest, and again we'll do 100 second and take rest, right? After that we'll do Nadi Sodhan Pranayam. Nadi Sodhan Pranayam. Nadi Sodhan is alternate nostril breathing or Anulom Vilom. And finally we'll do Bhramri Pranayam, and then Om, and then meditation. During meditation I'll play alpha sound, and just 10 minutes meditation we'll do, right? Okay, let's begin with Kapalbhati. Counting 9, we have to reach up to 100 times. Do it closing your eyes, it will be more better. And relax. It's almost 100 breaths. You can relax now. And keep your eyes closed and feel the energy inside your body. Feel the hollowness inside your body. After 4-5 breaths, we'll again start Kapalbhati. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Once more, take a deep breath in. Fill your lungs and slowly breathe out. Now we'll do one round more with Kapalbhati. Let's begin. Relax. Relax. Close your eyes and observe the sensation inside your body. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Slowly you may open your eyes. Now we'll do Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. During Nadi Shodhan, next we'll do Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. And in this doing this pranayam, we'll keep our left hand in Chin Mudra. This is the mudra. Touching finger with first finger and keep that in our left knee, right? And we'll do alternate breathing. 20 rounds we'll do. You can do like this, or you can take support of your head and do like this. But you have to do alternate breathing. Yes, let's start. Take a deep breath in once and empty your lungs. With left, we'll start. Take deep breath in with left and breathe out with right. Breathe in with right and breathe out with left. Continue. Now we'll breathe out with left nostril and relax. लेफ्ट नॉस्ट्रिल से ब्रीथ आउट करते हुए विश्राम करें. Relax. Now we'll do Bhramari Pranayam. In Bhramari, what we need to do is we need to close our eyes with our 3 fingers like this, and with thumb we have to close our ears using that flap of, near there is a flap in ear. We have to use that flap and close our ears, and if these three fingers will close our eyes, and we'll keep one finger on forehead, above eyebrows, and we'll say sound. We'll make sound of We'll do it 3 times, and then we'll start with our meditation. Right? Okay. Let's begin. Take a deep breath in. Second round. Final round. Yes. Observe the vibration in your body. Now I'll try to play alpha sound in my laptop. Just let me know, is it audible or not.
Close your eyes and relax.
Is sound audible? Are you getting some sound? Tapping sound. Are you able to listen tapping sound? Okay. This is the 10 minutes tapping sound. We have to just close our eyes and relax, and we'll just do it for 10 minutes, and then we'll end the session. Not 10 minutes, it's 9 minutes. Let's begin. Let's relax ourselves and close your eyes. Just listen to the alpha sound and try to relax your body from head to toe. I'll just write. Relax your scalp. Observe the sensation in your scalp. Relax your face. Relax your neck. Relax all around your neck. Shoulders, relax your shoulders. Relax elbow and arm. Relax your chest. Relax your stomach. Upper back. Lower back. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Relax your abdomen, genitals, right thigh, left thigh, right knee, left knee, ankles, your legs. Relax your whole body. Pay attention on your breath. With every outgoing breath, relax more. Your body is completely relaxed at this moment. Along the body, relax your mind. Wherever your mind wants to go, let it go. Do not stop. Just watch it. Every incoming breath energizes the body and outgoing breath relaxes. Keep a gentle smile on your face. Take a deep breath in and relax. Slowly and gradually become aware of your body and surrounding, and taking your own time, you may open your eyes. You can just rub your hand and put hands on your eyes before opening and relax. So we did alpha meditation. Actually, generally we do beta, and with this sound, it is easier to go to alpha state. Alpha, then gamma, then delta. Like this, I push. So how is you feeling now?
It was a really nice session, relaxing session.
So let's end our session here now. आज मेरा दूसरा सेशन नहीं है, बच्चों का सेशन नहीं है, इसलिए I was not worried about time.
That's what I was thinking. From your schedule.
Yes, on
You don't have
yes. Okay, fine.
I was
So
thinking that, on Sundays we can start early, 5:15 also, and I wanted to share some concepts about what is circadian rhythm, how our body actually wakes up. If there is no mechanism in our body, then it will never wake up, or how it goes to sleep. So
yeah.
there were some scientists who did this research, and they were awarded the Nobel Prize in 2017 for discovering the mechanism behind the circadian rhythm. So
Okay.
maybe someday we will have a session of 5-10 minutes in the starting, and we will discuss about it
Yes.
before we start our workout.
Tomorrow.
Okay.
Tomorrow we'll have.
Farah?
Yeah.
Tomorrow we will discuss about circadian rhythm in the morning, 5 to 10 minutes before our session.
Yes. Okay. Have a good day, everyone. Bye bye. See you.
Bye bye. Have a nice day.